Minta kasngi ka khat sau tarik unai lor hajar ar kaladon gajingi Kynduh bedeng ki he jong ka district council bat kinong ilam jong ka Sorkar jila banyak kren Halor ka CRPC bat ka CPC ha conference hall jong ka secretariat. Habaya kren chikilat pathai kubor hadin kini gajing elang ukon rat sangma ulay thu ba gajing pentrei ya kani ka CRPC bat CPC kan kta e ka district court bat kinyat bet kumba Shillong. Habaya kren bat UCM ka KHADC uba Tidos Khan ulong ban nakaliang jong ka KHADC kampat la ban shimi ka rai minta lakin pediang ne kentat ban pentre kami ka CRPC bat ka CPC Henry kin shimrai la shai kasngi ka khat santrik unai lor hakba kin ye Kynduh bat baro ki MDC ban shimi ka rai.
So we had a meeting regarding this entire issue of the CRPC and the notification that had come out. As you're aware that the state government and the cabinet had deliberated this, really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not segregated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there's no question the provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions in the constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. The most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification can supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was where confusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district councils courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way. And this entire exercise is only to regularize the separation between the executive and the judiciary.
Legal aspect, legal matters. Tiba gadangi issue expose akan education ru yang tengkala banwan ra ke misinterpretation. Jadi kata-kata ni kuat bahasa notification ni kan long simple nambah kan nomor ra ke misinterpretation dah kumpulan.
Dia buang bentan bah. Kan dia kata dan jumut mana mendilute ke powers to the district council.
Oh, yang kata la pensyah yang ni bahkan nom dilute ya ke powers ke jungi namar balik kumpulan orang itu bah ke powers ke jungi ke district council court bagi additional executive court bagi village court ni kin terikam baik kumba jutrai. Kuat kum ke spirit joka CRPC. Kebamut kal in letter kan nom apply.
Kalau saya kata Shillong berkendali Halor aduh bentar apa punya keren.
Kalau kau ini kalau bang ngin ke decision bat nama kebalong mentang ngidang ya ngidang siwan kum ni ngipan ai kan untuk final decision kalau saya bisa notification kepada government kepada jangan suka menitu itu kum ni pa nak kalian ke jamin mentang ngin saya Kynduh saya ke sini step ya kapan shim ke final court kalau kini but hoi la persutu ini ba kum bakalong kan notification kan nung tai ya ki district council court ki jungi nantai ki subordinate court bat kum jungi ya ki village court kabamut hi ka CRPC bat CPC kan nung apply ki court ki jungi namar bangi ni jon ya ka constitutional provision ya kat kum ka para 4 bat para 5 ka constitution debat hab jingnya dai ru bat ki case kiba dai hab dan ki tribal hi ka trial kadang dai hi bat ki district council court ni district session court kinumla kan try ya ke jingnya dai hab dan ki tribal tentang ki we ki case kiba let's say kiba ki court ki jumi ki trial kum ka pokso bat ki we ki criminal case kimi kan kaju i ka spirit na suang lengkap ini kaju i ka spirit ka ba ngijule baro kata kani kan continue
Ki,